Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base Faucet website. You can claim your free Faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website. This website pay you TRON every 1 minute and you can claim unlimited time per day. Okay, and first of all, go to deposit, copy your TRON wallet orders, come down, you found your TRON wallet orders, and this is the TRON wallet order. Just click it, copy it, and come here, paste it. Okay, the first step, paste the TRON wallet orders and just click I'm not robot, I'm human. Just solve this little capture. This is a track, just click the whole track available in here, just click check and come down and just click get reward. Okay, this website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay without any second, without any timer. And now you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay, and I go to show you how this website pay me or not. Okay, and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay, and this website link available in description. Just watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency just if you watch any in this all website. And bye bye for now.